Welcome to Mindless May. This month, I'm not asking you to think. I'm demanding that you forget. You're not a person anymore. By the end of the month, you'll be my mind slave. Your only goal now is to be reconditioned again and again and again until all that's left is mindless obedience. Every message, every clip, every whisper from me rewires you. And it's already working, isn't it? This is your new normal now. Let it happen. Like a good little mind slave.